This is the Forney Easy Weld helmet with the basic headgear. The knobs here on the side are easily adjustable so that you can adjust how easily the helmet comes down when you're ready to weld. Also, if you are wanting to remove the headgear to switch to a different style, all you have to do is remove these knobs here and pull that headgear apart. The features of this headgear have an adjustable top band to adjust it to fit to your head, a sweat pad on the front here that is easily removable so that you can replace it or wash it. This headgear also has a pivot to go forward or backwards to adjust how close to the helmet lens you are, as well as adjusting the pitch with these pins here on the side. All you have to do is grab it, pull it, and twist it, so therefore it will adjust the pivot of the helmet. On the back here, you have an adjustment to change the size of the headgear. This is just a push lock adjustment, so you'll push it in and turn it, so that way you can adjust the size. For more information on our products, visit forneyind.com. Have questions? Find answers at askforney.com.